Oh, dang, Dad. You just hit a police car.
Crap! Dinker, don't say one word. I'll do the talking.
Any rush today, sir? I told him he was going too fast. But he doesn't listen to me, because I'm a kid.
Son, shut your mouth. Let me talk to the police.
I like your pretty badge. Don't worry, I'm okay, because I was wearing my seatbelt. Sir, you didn't use your blinker.
Oh, I'm sure I did. You must not have seen it.
My dad doesn't use a blinker, because it's nobody's business where he's going.
Oh my God, Dinker! If you don't shut your mouth, I'ma pop it with this mop.
Little boy, does your father always treat you like this? Oh no, ma'am. Only when he's been drinking.
Why, you little...
Should I have stayed quiet?